Hi, Mr. Ban Ki-moon. I am Laura Cristina Gonzalez. This is my letter. Today, I want to discuss about something that should have every worker, technology and the consumer's environment. We must recognize the context we are living in and how every day we see more industries and technology that are gaining more importance in the common life. I am not going to deny that those advances are helpful, but we are forgetting something that is should be basic in our lives, the environment. We need to ask ourselves, is this the world I want to live and the space I want to give to my children? You can see how around the world the teaching part is more noticeable every hour. The deforestation, the contamination of the waters and atmosphere, the animal extinction, the pollution, and the global warming. If we are seeing this with our own eyes, how is possible that we keep waiting passively like nothing was happening? We need to act immediately. I think that work with rationality and necessary make policies about the sustainable development provide a balance between those concepts. Also, I consider very essential to provide an eco-friendly education. Our children and the new generation must have the opportunity to know about the importance of the environment and eco-education from the individual being. Sincerely, Laura Cristina Gonzalez. About your question, don't you think that this effect on the environment are the necessary costs for the way of living that we are taking? I did. I think that the advance is necessary, but we are taking it too far. The man is only thinking in their own benefits, and the Sabbath capitalism is letting him do that. I fear that if we have the industry, the impact is necessary. But what are we doing to prepare this impact? I think that the preparation should be faster than the damage. Why do you say that we are staying passively in front of the big impact? The majority of people ignore the impact of the environment, like it wants something invented, and they keep in a permissive way with industry. They are making part of the damage, and that is staying passively in front of the street. About the question, what do you recommend for having that balance you mentioned between the tech advance and the environment scale? I recommend having politics that obligate the industry from the damage they are making, and also I think the governments should promote an eco-education. It would cause conscious inside every people. What would you create conscious of people? Because even though this change start individually, is needed a lot of person for create a real change. I really think that the individual contributions create a change, but also is the obligation to the governments and the industry to promote a conscious collective. You know any group or foundation that helps on the environment's development? Yes, I know some foundations that they promote indicators of the nature. Some are WWF and Greenpeace. In Colombia, we have OMASHA and the ORG Natura, and no more. So I hope you think in what I say. This is my conclusion. And I really respect that in a close future, can experience about the change and not worries about the damage. Bye. See you later.